Thank you very much for joining me again. In this method, you can clear your iPhone RAM with all unnecessary applications and overloads. So you need to activate Assistive Touch, go into setting, accessibility, go to the touch, and you need to turn on this floating home button, which is the assistive touch. So after this, you need to click volume up, volume down, and keep and hold power button until you see this thing. When you come to this thing, which is a power off menu, do not do this. Just press here to the floating home button, and when you hit the home button, it will bring you, press and hold the home button, it will bring you to the home screen again, and it will be clear all unnecessary working application on the background and everything, and your phone you will feel that is a fast phone after that. And if you like that video, thumbs up, and see you in the next video.